My name is Stefan Schulz. I'm working as a consultant at Conceit, which is a Swedish-based consultancy company, but I live and work in Hamburg, Germany. I've been a software developer basically my whole life, working in different customer projects in different roles, like first as a developer and then taking on more responsibility over my career, like getting into architectural roles, also in people leadership roles. And there I learned a lot about security, process automation, and the whole architecture and going into the cloud. And this is also my main focus currently. Conceit is one of the biggest IT consultancies in Sweden, and they entered the German market 2 years ago. Since then, we are doing also consultancy from Hamburg for the northern region of Germany. So basically, it's helping customers out with building their applications, migrating the processes from Camunda 7 to Camunda 8, and also project management and agile methodologies, and so the full scale of what they need consultancy with. This time I want to focus on security and process automation, because picture that for example, you're a developer on call, and in the middle of the night the phone rings and someone calls like, our service is not working anymore, something happened. And then you find out someone put credentials into the Git repository like a month ago, and now you find out this happened, you're locked out of your service, you're losing revenue. And the main goal of my talk will be, to make visible how dangerous or what risks secret handling can have. IBM does this study each year. It's called the Cost of Data Breach report. And it says that a data breach with stolen credentials costs on average $4.8 million per breach. And it takes almost 300 days to identify and to contain it. So this is, so there's really a need for active secret management, because it's one of the #1 reasons why data gets breached. I will share some insights I have with the current customers. So they have a very specific setup and they have very strict security rules, because they are like in Germany, it's called they're in the infrastructure sector, and they are very critical, like critical infrastructure. And so they have very specific rules, what can be done and what not, and therefore I will share some specific details on how to integrate HashiCorp Vault into low-code and pro-code environments, because those are also very different. HashiCorp Vault is like a cloud or a third-party provider where you can put your secrets. So they offer a cloud service, like Camunda offers an engine in the cloud. They have like a vault where you can put in your secrets. So you put in the key and the password, for example, or username and password, and then it is locked. But you need an authentication mechanism to access your credentials. What Vault also brings is you have like a central place where you put your secrets. They are backed up. You can rotate them. You can add like access management, so not everyone can access all of the secrets and so on. And this basically makes it, more easy to manage them or to manage them actively, because you can revoke also secrets centrally, and it is not necessary to distribute all your secrets. I'm looking forward to all the other talks that are going to be there. So the keynotes, what Jacob and Daniel and Bernd have to tell, and also all the product managers, because, I'm really into the whole roadmap of Camunda, of course, but also, meeting people, like meeting a lot of old faces, meeting a lot of new faces, maybe even talk to customers, talk to colleagues, fellow champions,